Our 3D nylon tube bending machine is specially designed for automotive engine connections and brake pipe production. Equipped with an advanced CNC control system and Mitsubishi 3D Servo drive system, it ensures smooth operation and high-precision bending for complex 3D shapes. Suitable for complex shapes and tight radius bending, ideal for automotive brake pipes and engine tubing. Next, let's see how the machine achieves stable, precise, and smooth bending performance. Looking to upgrade your production line? Contact us for details, more videos, and quotation.